Hi, I'm Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a truck that we just got in. It's a 2023 Chevy Silverado 5500. It is a diesel truck with a 19,500 GVW. As I walk you around the truck, you'll see that it's a service utility, so it has all the cabinets that I'll open up for you and show you inside. See if I can find with it. Yeah, there it is. And you'll notice that this truck was upfitted with a Stellar 7630 crane. Basically what that means is it's a 7,500 pound crane. You also have a Honda GX390 compressor system here with an air wheel. And as we walk around the back, you'll notice a Thieman liftgate. This is a 1,600 pound liftgate that was upfitted on this truck as well. And as we walk around to the other side, you'll notice the way that this truck was upfitted. There's no cabinets on this side. It has a removable rail. It also has outriggers on the back for the crane. And you have regular outriggers over here that you hand move. On the inside, you'll notice your PTO switches right here, AM/FM radio, which is Bluetooth. You also have a rear backup camera as well. This truck, for being a 2023, it only has 277 miles, so it's just about as close to new as possible. On the top here, you have your switches. These are for your liftgate. Once again, my name is Craig from TruckSmart. I can be reached here at 215-946-7221 or my cell phone anytime at 215-939-6689. Please call me with any questions, and thank you for taking the time and watching my video today.